जों TSF खायगा नांगला खामों दफानि बागै वासो गियांखे साक्सांनि बासै जों वासो खांखे जों TSF खायगा नांगला खामों but we think for the future generation बैजोंना गोबां मा सामानो Roman script na teibo Chief Minister boni statement dini orotong note ang bono saharo. I want to make a very clear message to the Chief Minister of the state. Botomasa Roman script by accept kaya hanoi. Some peaceful protest kaya. When the youth and students are very peacefully protesting, government of India and government of Tripura they very much neglect us. If the youth and students carry guns again, government of India and government of Tripura will be responsible for that. But at that time, government of India and government of Tripura will tell us, Ugraponti, terrorists. If government of India and government of Tripura are ready for that, you all are very much interested of Bangladesh. Government of India and government of Tripura, you are very much interested for Bangladesh. What is happening over there? But you can open fire on the indigenous people of Tripura. This is my very clear message. Suma pusinay. Jeng silai ti kangke jeng koropati hosago. When we are peaceful, kesang jeng movement kai kangke sini saka guli gogo. Youth, students, jeng mapusinay. Manipur hawan nirang nukana, tumang gitong. Jeng mapusinay. And TSF, it's very clear. We have how many cases in demand of Roman script? Government of Tripura, I want to tell you all. How much more cash you will give us? Public ni orang mabusi nai, sini lu kurang mabusi nai. Jeng TSF Roman script ni movement kaki jeng case sai tunggu. All movement of sini thang ni leader of case sagi ni tongko. We are not doing for ourselves. Jeng tong thogi case sai tunggu. We have family. Sini benukung tunggu jeng wasok mana. But first. TSF jeng sini dopani bagi wang sogrago. Ang tesing site thang mahai. O am cai ni borok rong no ang orang nuklia ba ang belai nya kham ka. Tani hamale jeng planning tong mani jeng alkaza ko black de palai ga hanoi. But jeng pogoi thang o sal rong no. 57 years TSF. Movement kaya kebang ma achievement to kana. We forget that also. Boni bagai jeng khati thaile krei. Hai pana. Do pani bagai jeng samung khaine hi ago khaba. Jeng ungklok le Oslo ya. Je man sak ago win thangnai. Hai pana nirok ni hamjang mati support nang. Jeng politically benefit ni bagai jeng khaya. We are not politicians. Nirang no pagi jeng masuk Romanai. But nirang ni rights. If you are deprived, tang nai bisram konjo bu hasek jago. Chini Vice President National Finance Secretary John, Mani State Chini Joint Secretary Susanjit Borok Thaka, on behalf of Chini organization. We are not a government, but first we think for our society and student. Boni bagai ang nirong no omun kok kesar nai tini. Tini black de sengoro palai jaga. Oro simina palai jaga. Hai pana seng hambai maya para sini TSF paika tini. MSU paika, KSU paika, Mizo Convention boroni greetings rohoka, support rohoka, kunuka. They young chora association borno paifla ya hambai. But ang sagamu sungmaning ke, all black there. TSM ni simit tang thang. Anik message omono tong nai very clear. Kha khai ke boskangi salo o amchaini borok rok no ang nuga muchugo nirok phaidi जों aje soijona wounded brutally borok no open fire khaika जों borok no borom ro layana boni do pani borok ke borom ro layo जों ke borom boro laiga ronglia जों chini late mandulal kaipeng boni family no bo muitok laiga te जों borong ni loge betongo जों pogya nini ani nukungni borok kokja khakale ang kha khai khamung जों jotono ro pung khamung honai but buni yang ma bada जों pokha amo busia boni bagai ang tewaisa TSF ni ngai ani ngai ang rono jotono all lukuri te amchai ni borok rok te tipra hasti ni lukurong no ang koinai all movement of simia TSF no nero 57 years or loge roi pai kaba je tong sak sung ro layan kha thai thai krei will carry on the movement Roman screen no tei bachung movement carry on khainai baksa hongbai man nero ni Roman screen movement biang kamaka kumaya India freedom after 200 years. We should keep fighting. Haifana chungma sinai fight bahai ke khai. India freedom fighter there are two ways. Mahatma Gandhi law by fight khai. Bhagat Singh silai by fight khai. Do India government call Bhagat Singh a terrorist? British may call terrorist, but for Indians, he is a freedom fighter. Sini, however, Silai by Choba Khaidat, we are very much honored. Sini Logewo, former NLFT Secretary General, Sini Poram Ganang Upendra Riyang Tong. Government of Tripura, what they give the tagline? Insurgent. Ugraponthi, no, for us they are not terrorists and not Ugraponthi. They are revolutionary leaders. Guts tongma bagay si, family no aso yagay, sila itagi choba naman. Zung pok tangga borong ni, ko contribution na ba zung pok, sinilukurok. Baksa kirizaga kok sagane borong bai. But I believe sini TSF leader le omo hayang glak le. Sung borong no borom ro thai, sini borong ro kok thang. Boni bagai sung sini leaders ro no sung borom ro thai. Boni bagai boskang ni salo. Nero ni support sung nangga. Sung TSF जों खायनाय इनके जों कने कथाम बखायमन हायफानो TSF is not a individual organization among gachini society ni organization students organization जों तो ये मान रखनाय and I would like to invite even chini oro tini phaikaba chini je student organization ro जों बसखांनि सालो जों थामसागेनो सामं खायथानाय आंनि रनो बकयो so asungनानै कसार मुं थांनाय ते waisa ni rona paifle hambai